Hello guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok uploading problem. So if you try to upload a video to TikTok but it doesn't let you to upload, this video is gonna help you. All what you have to do is just open the settings and then go to the apps on your phone and then go to the apps here. Now here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see, just search for TikTok and click on it. After that, all what you have to do now is just click on the storage and click here on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on data usage, make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are enabled. Go back, click on this force stop option here in the top. Go back to the settings page this time and click on wireless and networks. Now go right here to the airplane mode and enable it and wait a few seconds and then disable it again. And that's it guys. Now you can try TikTok and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have to uninstall TikTok from the Play Store and install it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.